everyone, it is Crafting Mama here, and I am back after about a month off. Just a lot has happened in the last month, and it's just been crazy since my stepmom passed away. Just a lot of crazy stuff. I'm going to be doing an unboxing, but I just want to say thank you for hanging in there with me. After my stepmom passed, then shortly after that, my dad decided he was going to move to Florida to live with us. So we started a house hunt and all of that, and having to deal with all the emotions of that. Then we found a perfect house to rent where he would have his own separate area to live in, and we'd have our separate area, but then, you know, like common areas where we all could be when we wanted to be together. And he decided he didn't want to rent, he wanted to buy, but he wouldn't listen to any of us on our decisions. So a lot of emotional stuff going on. So long story short, my dad is going to be staying in the Chicagoland area for now, and renting the house that he and my stepmom lived in from her kids, and going like that. But we as a family, Crafting family, is going to be going up to spend a week up there in a couple weeks. We're going to be up there by Father's Day, and that same week is my sister's birthday, so we'll be spending my sister's birthday with her, just hanging out at a hotel, swimming. I will be showing my sister how to diamond paint in person, so that ought to be fun. I'll be doing some shorts. I'm not sure how many videos I'll actually do that week, but be doing all of that. So I do want to thank you all for sticking with me, and I am going to be really working on getting diamond painting content, scrapbooking content, getting the content really there, and really being consistent with you, because I know that diamond painting and watching the YouTube videos on crafting can be help a lot of people who are going through depression, anxiety, the same kind of issues that I am. So it's a great way to connect with people, and it's a great way for me to stay connected and to help ease that anxiety and depression. So on to this. This one is called Cottage. It's by Make Market Summer. It is, of course, I think it's exclusively sold at Target, and let's get into it. And of course, it is from Miss Marsha, who got me started in all of this. It was one that she had, so let's get into it and see what's going on with it. And get this undone and see what we got going here today. It's got the generic instructions on how to diamond paint, but of course you can watch my videos. I've taken care and gone through and shown you quite a few of the steps of diamond painting. We've got our generic toolkit. So a wax caddy, it looks like it's just got one piece of wax, a boat, a squishy, the pen, and some of the bags that you can use to keep it all in. And let's get going with the drills first, and then I'll show you the design. Oh no, I'll do it the other way, sorry. And put this, oh, this looks like it's going to be a quick, easy one for me. There are 35 colors, and it doesn't even say how big it is. Let's see if the box says how big this one is. It is a 16-inch by 20-inch, so it's a 40.6 by a 50.8 centimeter one. So I'll move the computer back a little bit so you can try to get the whole thing in here. And get that. It looks like an old Italian or old English cottage that it's going to be. Again, 35 colors. It does not have any DMC or diamond dot numbers to it, so there's really no way to save those spare drills. It is a round, and just if you haven't seen this or can't remember, when you come out of the box and it's kind of wrinkled up, just roll them the one way and unroll it, and that will help it lay flat. And the other thing you can do is you take up your clear plastic and lay it back down nice and straight, which mine did, of course, did not do. And that helps to release it, and you are good to go on that one. So this one probably won't take me very long to do. It looks like there's a little bit of confetti here in the flowers here at the bottom, but a lot of color blocking up here at the top and stuff. And since I am a multi-place person now, I can get a lot of good multi-placing up here. It's just going to be down at the bottom where the flower garden is that I'm going to have some trouble. So let's take a look at the drills. And the outside of the package is not labeled, so if you're one that you'll take your canvas insert in one spot and your drills in the other, you'll want to have a label with the name and or the number on there. And these do have the number of the kit on it, so you can match it up that way. It's just a little easier if you have the name of what you were naming it or the name it is. So we've got a brown and a darker blue, and these numbers in 1920 is just what number they are in the packaging. We've got double trouble here for these whites, so that's probably going to be like the siding of the house. We've got a lighter blue, and again 2 packs of this light baby blue, like a teal, another blue, some orange, some like sandstone. That one's really pretty. And this one's got a brown that's got some diamonds that have decided not to socially distance, and if you got in there from another color. 2 of the tan or terracotta like colors, and then your greens, which here we have, nope, they all are individually. They're all just a slightly different shade of green here. So we've got the light green, lighter, darker, and then an even darker green going on. So one more strand, we went through that one. This looks like a lot of the flower colors coming up, and we've got 2 of this number 17, this light blue, and a darker blue, and then some oranges and yellows, orange, then you get some red, some pink, a darker pink, more pinks, some gray or sandstone color again, like that coral or peach. So these are, I bet you anything, these are going to be like the flowers. Black, real pretty light peach, and a light green. Now, just looking at them, it does not look like there has any ABs in them. And for those of you that don't know what an AB is, it's an Aurora Borealis, and that one has a special iridescent coating on it, which just helps it shine a little bit brighter. And when you place it down in its spot, it will pick up those colors of the diamonds around it and help those shine even a little bit brighter too. So I just want to thank you all again for being patient with me, and I will continue to put up content, hopefully that you like. If you've got any comments, questions, concerns, just want to say hey, put it in the comment box below. And if you want to be part of my crazy crafting family, hit the subscription button and join us. And if you want to be notified anytime I upload a video, please hit that notification bell, and it will let you know anytime I've uploaded a video. So I do appreciate you all. Just want to remind everybody to take care of their mental health, do some crafting, do some baking, whatever makes you happy and helps you out, because it is so very important to take care of yourself, because if you can't take care of yourself, you can't take care of the rest of your family. You all have a great day. Bye.